Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change voice in Instagram voice message. So let's see how to do it. First of all, update your Instagram apps and then open Instagram. Now open Instagram chats and then open any conversation. First record your voice message. After record your voice message, here you can see voice filters option. Just tap on this option and then here you can see all filters. Just select filters that you want to use. After select filters, now wait few seconds for completing applying filters process. After completing applying process, now just share your voice message.